Egg drop soup is super delicious and easy to make and better than anything you'll get in a restaurant. First, bring 8 cups of chicken broth to a boil. While that's boiling, get your eggs mixture ready. Scramble together 4 eggs and add in 2 tablespoons of water. And keep whisking away and set that aside and get your cornstarch slurry together. You're going to take 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and add in half a cup of water and stir that together. And then once your broth has come to a boil, you're going to add in your cornstarch slurry to thicken up the soup. And just stir it around, and this is what it should look like. Nice and thick. Then drop the heat down to low and drizzle in your eggs. You don't want to dump them all in at once because then you'll just get a big blob of eggs. You just want strands of eggs in your soup. Just make sure you keep pouring gently and then mixing it in as you go. I decided to drop in the egg mixture in sections instead of doing it all at once. Here's the second pour. And just slowly add it all in. Stir it around and then add in your last bit. Here's a close-up. Look at that, nice and beautiful. And then if you want, you can add in a mix of salt, white pepper, and MSG. And just stir it through completely. And plate up your soup. And then I'm garnishing with some scallions. And this is the best egg drop soup that you will ever have.